Y'all, that's the roar of war. I have heard them now. I've been sitting in there for 3 hours. Wondering how many exactly do we have of these planes. There'd have to be a whole bunch of them for me to be hearing them back to back for 3 hours. My daughter said she seen one, and it was the black bee-looking ones. They almost look like a UFO. I call them Black Hawks, stealth. I don't know the real name for them. But that's some of the best aircraft, fighting aircraft that I know of, that we have. And I have heard that we could be attacked on American soil, and that they have our defenses up here in America. Now, I don't know if it's 100% true. See, right here's another one. You can't see them now. You can hear them when they start to come. Now you see that one hasn't been that far apart from the last one. And we got a lot of clouds. And these are the big dogs. These ain't no little planes I'm hearing. These are those big black planes. Black Hawks, whatever the heck they call them. And these sound like they are coming from Fort Bragg, going towards our coast. Now, I am approximately 4 hours from Jacksonville. I'm an hour from Fort Bragg. Cherry Point, as Sue had mentioned. There's numerous bases and nuclear bases here on our coast. And that worries me. I would really like to get off this coast, guys. Really would. Because I'm really getting worried. See, you can hear it. It's coming from the Fayetteville area, but it's going towards the coast area. I don't know if it's leaving America or if it's going to the other bases. I don't have a clue. I just can tell you the directions that it's coming from, going to. But this has been, you just heard 3 back to back. This has been going on for 3 or 4 hours. I said, well, let me go out there and record it because, you know, yes, there is people training. And there was other countries here training for 1 week. But there's more to this than just training. And we've sent more troops over there. Why? I don't know, y'all. I don't understand why we can't just sign a thing saying that we will not let them join NATO, and we won't pile weapons and troops up on their borders, and in return, you don't take over these small sovereign countries. I mean, how hard is that? Why does it have to always be war? And this is not even a NATO country. I mean, why does America have to be involved in every little thing? I don't know, y'all. But this is liable to bring something that none of us has seen in our lifetime. This is liable to bring war to America itself, not overseas like we are used to seeing. Not on somebody else's dirt, but on our own dirt. I mean, this is worrisome. And then I've got friends in the UK. They're even more worried because, shoot, they're even closer. Cuba's not far from the East Coast, and Russia's talking about moving military over there to Cuba. And you know, y'all, I can't say as I blame them. I cannot say as I blame them. I mean, and those other islands out there that does not belong to the U.S. that they can use. I mean, we are very accessible. We are very accessible. We've got China talking shit. We've got Russia talking shit. Iran talking shit. And Rocket Man's lost his freaking marbles. Well, anyway, y'all. Yeah, we got real cloudy skies. Not supposed to have any rain till this afternoon sometime. But, yeah. It's warm, though. It's about 70 degrees here. Yesterday and today. I don't know how long that. I mean, it's saying it's going to be up in the 60s. But cold at night. But, yeah. A view of the sky. And like I said, I wanted to come out here. Because this is more aircraft than I'm used to hearing. I hear them occasionally, and occasionally, you know, they'll practice a day or so, and, you know, then you don't hear them for a long while. But this has been steady for the past couple of weeks, and it's getting more steady. Like today and yesterday. It's been, I don't know, like I said, God, I don't know how many doggone planes we could have at Fort Bragg, but we sure as hell got a bunch of them. And I don't know if they're going to, hopefully they leave some military here and some fighter jets here in America, because I think we're going to need them. Joe Biden really needs to sit the hell down. All right, y'all.